Welcome to Modern Man's Metamorphosis, navigating the complexities of human connection, a captivating exploration into the enigmatic realm of interpersonal relationships. In this thought-provoking series, we delve into the intricacies of understanding and appreciating the unique qualities that shape individuals, transcending gender stereotypes and societal expectations. Join us on this enlightening journey as we uncover the secrets to fostering meaningful connections, cultivating emotional intelligence, and ultimately nurturing a more compassionate and inclusive world. Prepare to be inspired and enlightened as we embark on this voyage of self-discovery and mutual understanding together. The pitfalls of failing to learn female nature in 2023. Diminished relational success. A man who remains oblivious to the rich tapestry of female experiences and emotions may find himself ensnared in a quagmire of strained communication, perplexing misunderstandings, and unsatisfactory relationships, ultimately hindering his ability to foster harmonious connections with others. Stunted personal growth. By choosing to remain in the shadows of ignorance, a man forsakes the opportunity to embark on a journey of self-reflection, to cultivate empathy, and to nurture the blossoming of his emotional intelligence, thus impeding his personal evolution. Perpetuation of harmful stereotypes. A lack of understanding of the multifaceted individuality of women may contribute to the relentless reinforcement of detrimental gender stereotypes, ensnaring society in a self-perpetuating cycle of inequality and gender-based discrimination. Hindered professional success. In the kaleidoscope of contemporary workplaces, embracing the unique qualities and strengths of all team members, transcending the confines of gender, is of paramount importance for engendering a collaborative, dynamic, and productive environment where innovation and creativity may flourish unfettered. Impaired romantic endeavors. A man who is unable to delve into the labyrinth of emotional and psychological aspects of female experiences may find himself woefully unprepared to forge profound, soul-stirring connections with potential romantic partners, leaving him to navigate the treacherous waters of love with a tenuous grasp on the compass of understanding. Unfulfilled emotional needs. By neglecting to fathom the profound emotional depth and the breadth of women, a man may inadvertently deprive himself of the opportunity to forge meaningful, supportive friendships which offer the nurturing sustenance of reciprocal emotional support, leaving him to traverse the arduous path of life bereft of solace. Stifled societal progress. A man's inability or willingness to discern and address the distinctive challenges and experiences that women face serves as a formidable impediment to the noble pursuit of a more equitable, inclusive, and compassionate society, in which all individuals may thrive unencumbered by prejudice or discrimination. As our enthralling journey through navigating the complexities of human connection draws to a close, we hope you have been inspired and enriched by the insights we have shared. We trust that you now possess the tools to cultivate deeper, more meaningful connections, transcending the barriers that may once have hindered your understanding of others. Remember, the pursuit of empathy and emotional intelligence is an ongoing endeavor, and the world awaits the positive impact that your newfound wisdom can bring. Thank you for joining us on this voyage of self-discovery and mutual understanding. If you have found value in our series, please share it with friends, family, and colleagues, so that together we may foster a more compassionate and inclusive society. Until our next adventure, take care and continue nurturing the spirit of empathy and connection that unites us all.